Let's quickly recap the entire workflow that we have built. We started with the pod invoice dataset. We tried to understand what images that we have and what are the ground truths. And then we slowly baseline the zero-shot performance of Gen 2.5 vision language model. And then in the next step, we fine-tune the model with 800 training images, which was part of the data set. And then we created the evaluation code and compared the performance of the fine-tuned model versus the baseline model. And in the end, we have created a UI which can take in an image and run through the pipeline and provide the extracted information. For building this workflow, we have considered only the happy part and we haven't handled any failures in the workflow. The whole intuition of building this series is to show how AI can effectively perform this invoice extraction task and how we can leverage this latest technology to build these pipelines. I hope you would have enjoyed this series. If so, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.